In today's fast-paced world, finding extra time for household chores can be difficult. Between work responsibilities, family commitments, and personal activities, cleaning floors often becomes one of those tasks that gets delayed until the weekend. Fortunately, modern smart home technology offers a practical solution through robotic vacuum cleaners that can handle daily floor cleaning with minimal human involvement. This robot vacuum cleaner is designed to provide an effortless cleaning experience while maintaining excellent performance on a variety of floor surfaces. Equipped with powerful suction technology, smart app integration, automatic recharging capability, and advanced drop detection sensors, this compact cleaning assistant helps keep your home cleaner without requiring constant attention. One of the most impressive aspects of this robotic vacuum is its strong cleaning power. Suction performance is one of the most important factors when choosing a robot vacuum, and this model is built to tackle common household debris effectively. Whether it's dust particles, pet hair, crumbs, dirt, or everyday messes, the vacuum works continuously to collect unwanted debris from your floors. For households with pets, maintaining clean floors can be a daily challenge. Dogs and cats naturally shed hair throughout the home, which often accumulates under furniture, along walls, and across carpets. This robotic vacuum helps minimize pet hair buildup by performing routine cleaning sessions that keep floors looking neat and tidy. Instead of constantly reaching for a traditional vacuum cleaner, homeowners can allow the robot to handle much of the daily maintenance. Smartphone connectivity adds another level of convenience to the overall experience. Through the dedicated mobile app, users can manage cleaning schedules, monitor the vacuum status, and activate cleaning sessions remotely. This means you can control the vacuum from virtually anywhere, making it easier than ever to maintain a clean home even when you're away. The scheduling feature is particularly useful for busy individuals. Users can set specific cleaning times throughout the week, allowing the vacuum to operate automatically according to their preferred routine. Imagine waking up each morning to freshly cleaned floors without lifting a finger. That's the type of convenience this smart cleaning device aims to deliver. Safety and navigation technology are equally important when it comes to robotic cleaning systems. This vacuum incorporates drop sensors that help detect stairs, ledges, and sudden floor drops. These sensors continuously scan the surrounding area to prevent accidental falls, allowing the robot to clean confidently around elevated surfaces and staircases. The intelligent navigation system helps the vacuum move efficiently around furniture, walls, and obstacles. By adapting to the layout of your home, the vacuum can cover more floor area while reducing unnecessary movement. This contributes to more efficient cleaning sessions and better overall performance. One of the features many users appreciate most is the self-charging functionality. Rather than requiring manual charging after every use, the vacuum automatically returns to its charging station whenever battery levels become low. Once fully charged, it remains prepared for the next scheduled cleaning session. This automated charging process eliminates one of the most common inconveniences associated with battery-powered devices. Homeowners can simply set their cleaning preferences and allow the vacuum to manage its own charging requirements. The slim and compact design enables the vacuum to reach locations that traditional cleaning equipment often struggles to access. Dust frequently gathers underneath beds, couches, entertainment centers, and other furniture pieces. Thanks to its low-profile construction, the vacuum can slide beneath many of these areas and remove hidden dirt that might otherwise remain untouched. The vacuum is also designed to work effectively across multiple floor types. Hard surfaces such as wood, laminate, tile, and vinyl benefit from consistent dust and debris removal, while carpets receive additional attention through the vacuum's strong suction system. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of home environments. Another advantage is the relatively quiet operation. Unlike many traditional vacuum cleaners that generate significant noise, robotic vacuums generally operate at lower sound levels. This allows cleaning sessions to occur without creating major disruptions to daily activities. Whether you're working remotely, studying, relaxing, or spending time with family, the vacuum can continue cleaning in the background. As smart home devices continue to grow in popularity, robotic vacuum cleaners remain among the most practical investments available. They provide tangible benefits by reducing cleaning time, improving floor maintenance, and helping homeowners maintain a cleaner living environment with less effort. For individuals seeking a more convenient way to manage everyday cleaning tasks, this robot vacuum cleaner offers a compelling combination of technology, automation, and performance. From powerful suction and smart controls to self-charging functionality and advanced safety sensors, every feature is designed to simplify home maintenance and deliver a better cleaning experience. If you're ready to spend less time vacuuming and more time enjoying your day, this robotic vacuum cleaner may be the perfect addition to your home. Be sure to check the product link in the description for more information and current availability.